Explore the universe of languages. Kotoba Camp.
Eclipse.
Eclipse.
An astronomical event in which one celestial body obscures another. The total or partial blocking of light from one celestial body by another. To block or obscure light, to surpass or overshadow something in importance or fame.
日食、月食、遮蔽、掩蔽、超越，使相形失色。
Ancient astronomers tracked the movement of the sun, moon, and stars to predict when the next eclipse would appear. The total solar eclipse provided a rare opportunity to study the sun's corona and its magnetic field properties.
Earth's rounded shadow on the moon during a lunar eclipse revealed fundamental facts about our planet's shape.
The discovery of helium occurred during a solar eclipse observation in 1868.
Solar eclipses helped scientists validate Einstein's theory of general relativity.
Eclipsed.
Eclipsed.
Recent technological advances have eclipsed traditional methods of astronomical observation. Ecliptic.
Ecliptic. The ecliptic plane is crucial for understanding the occurrence of solar and lunar eclipses.
Obscure, overshadow, surpass, outshine.
遮蔽、遮掩、超越，使黯然失色。
Reveal, illuminate, expose, enhance.
揭示、照亮、暴露、增强。
Economical.
Economical.
Using the minimum amount of resources necessary. Efficient and not wasteful, giving good value in relation to cost.
节约的、经济的、实惠的、划算的。
Resource efficiency essentially means doing more with less, as it allows us to create more value using fewer natural resources. The laboratory developed an economical method for purifying water using locally available materials.
Researchers discovered an economical approach to synthesize complex molecules with minimal waste products.
The new solar panel design proved to be more economical in terms of both manufacturing costs and energy conversion efficiency.
The study demonstrated that vertical farming could be an economical solution for urban food production.
Economy.
Economy.
The economy of scale in renewable energy production has led to significant cost reductions. Economize.
Economize. Scientists must economize their research funding through efficient experimental design.
Efficient, thrifty, frugal, prudent.
高效的、节俭的、节约的、谨慎的。
Wasteful, extravagant, inefficient, spendthrift.
浪费的、奢侈的、低效的、挥霍的。
Edible.
Edible.
Fit or suitable to be eaten, safe to eat, something that can be eaten as food.
可食用的、能吃的食物。
Scientists estimate that only a tiny fraction of Earth's edible plant species are currently used for human consumption. Wild edible plants have high nutritional content, including essential proteins and vitamins that can supplement conventional diets.
The Agricultural Department has identified several edible wild mushroom species that grow naturally in our local forests.
Many traditional cultures have passed down knowledge about which wild plants are edible through generations.
When preparing your response about sustainable food sources, consider that many edible insects could provide an eco-friendly protein alternative.
Edibility.
Edibility.
Researchers conducted extensive tests to determine the edibility of these newly discovered plant species. Inedible.
Inedible. The experiment revealed that certain inedible plant parts contain valuable medicinal compounds.
Consumable, digestible, palatable, wholesome.
可消费的、可消化的、可口的、有益健康的。
Poisonous, toxic, indigestible, harmful.
有毒的、有毒的、不可消化的、有害的。
Educated.
Educated.
Having received education, knowledgeable and well-informed, past tense of educate, to teach or train someone.
受过教育的、有学识的、教育、培训。
Highly educated individuals demonstrate advanced cognitive abilities in processing complex scientific information. The study revealed that educated populations tend to make more informed decisions about environmental conservation.
Ancient civilizations educated their elite through sophisticated systems of mathematical and philosophical instruction.
Universities have traditionally educated students in both theoretical principles and practical applications of scientific concepts.
The research suggests that educated consumers make more sustainable purchasing decisions based on environmental impact.
Education.
Education.
The implementation of new educational technologies has transformed traditional learning environments. Educator.
Educator. Experienced educators emphasize the importance of critical thinking in scientific inquiry.
Knowledgeable, learned, scholarly, cultured.
有知识的、博学的、学术的、有教养的。
Ignorant, uneducated, illiterate, unschooled.
无知的、未受教育的、文盲的、未受过教育的。
Elegant.
Elegant.
Gracefully refined and dignified, pleasingly ingenious and simple.
优雅的、高雅的、巧妙而简洁的。
The mathematician developed an elegant solution to this complex theoretical problem, using minimal equations to explain the phenomenon. The crystalline structures exhibited an elegant symmetry that revealed fundamental principles of molecular organization.
Ancient Greek architecture demonstrates elegant proportions that have influenced design principles for millennia.
Quantum physicists seek elegant mathematical formulations to describe fundamental particle interactions.
The DNA double helix represents one of nature's most elegant structural designs.
Elegance.
Elegance.
The elegance of the experimental design allowed for precise measurement of quantum effects. Elegantly.
Elegantly. The research paper elegantly demonstrated the relationship between environmental factors and genetic expression.
Refined, sophisticated, graceful, polished.
精致的、老练的、优美的、精雕细琢的。
Crude, awkward, clumsy, inelegant.
粗糙的、笨拙的、笨重的、不优雅的。
Electricity.
Electricity.
a form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles, the flow of electrical power or charge.
电力、电流、电能。
The semiconductor material exhibits unique electrical conductivity properties under specific temperature conditions. Certain minerals in the Earth's mantle show increased electrical conductivity at high pressures.
The electrical resistance of copper decreases significantly at lower temperatures.
Researchers measured the electrical properties of neural tissue to understand brain activity patterns.
The quantum Hall effect demonstrates unusual electrical behavior in two-dimensional electron systems.
Electrical.
Electrical.
The electrical conductivity of graphene makes it an ideal material for future electronic devices. Electrically.
Electrically. The electrically charged particles interact through electromagnetic forces.
Conductive, energetic, magnetic, powered.
导电的、充满活力的、磁性的、电力驱动的。
Insulating, resistant, non-conductive, powerless.
绝缘的、有阻力的、不导电的、无力的。
Embarrass.
Embarrass.
To cause someone to feel self-conscious, awkward, or ashamed.
使尴尬，使窘迫，使羞愧。
Public speaking anxiety can embarrass even well-prepared students during academic presentations. Social anxiety disorders can significantly embarrass individuals in academic environments.
Cultural misunderstandings in international academic settings can embarrass both students and faculty members.
Performance anxiety can embarrass musicians during critical recitals.
Cognitive dissonance can embarrass individuals when their beliefs conflict with new scientific evidence.
Embarrassment.
Embarrassment.
Social psychology studies reveal that embarrassment can significantly impact academic performance. Embarrassing.
Embarrassing. The embarrassing mistake in the published research paper required immediate correction.
Humiliate, shame, mortify, disconcert.
羞辱、羞愧、难堪，使慌乱。
Compose, dignify, honor, comfort.
镇定、尊严、荣誉、安慰。
Emotional.
Emotional.
Relating to or characterized by emotion, rousing or capable of rousing intense feelings.
情绪的、情感的，激起或能够激起强烈感情的。
Neural pathways in the limbic system regulate emotional responses to environmental stimuli. Individuals with high emotional intelligence demonstrate superior interpersonal communication skills.
Cultural differences significantly influence emotional expression and interpretation.
Emotional regulation plays a crucial role in maintaining psychological well-being.
The amygdala processes emotional memories and fear responses in the brain.
Emotionally.
Emotionally.
Emotionally intelligent leaders better understand and respond to team dynamics. Emotionality.
Emotionality. High emotionality in decision-making can impair objective analysis of complex situations.
Sensitive, passionate, expressive, intense.
敏感的、热情的、 富有表现力的，强烈的。
detached, stoic, unemotional, apathetic.
冷漠的，坚忍的，冷静的，无动于衷的。
Enclose.
Enclose.
To surround or close in on all sides, to place something inside a container or barrier.
包围，围绕，封闭，封入。
The plasma membrane encloses and protects the cell's internal components from the external environment. The ancient walls that once enclosed the medieval city now serve as valuable archaeological evidence of urban development.
Specialized membranes enclose various organelles within eukaryotic cells, maintaining distinct cellular compartments.
The researchers carefully enclose the sensitive specimens in sterile containers to prevent contamination.
The greenhouse design effectively encloses the plants, creating a controlled microclimate for optimal growth.
Enclosure.
Enclosure.
The zoo designed new enclosures that better replicated the natural habitats of endangered species. Enclosed.
Enclosed. The enclosed ecosystem demonstrated remarkable resilience to external environmental changes.
Surround, contain, confine, seal.
围绕，包含，限制，密封。
Expose, open, release, free.
暴露，开放，释放，释出。
Encounter.
Encounter.
To come upon or meet unexpectedly, to experience something, usually by chance.
遭遇，遇到，意外发现，偶遇。
Deep-sea explorers encountered a previously unknown species of luminescent fish at 3,000 meters depth. Field botanists encountered an unusual orchid species that can survive in extreme desert conditions.
The telescope array encountered unexplained radio signals from a distant galaxy cluster.
Ancient DNA analysis encountered significant preservation challenges in tropical environments.
Volcanic expeditions frequently encountered deadly concentrations of toxic gases in active craters.
Encountered.
Encountered.
The encountered mutations in the virus genome revealed an unprecedented rate of adaptation. Encountering.
Encountering. Solar panels are encountering efficiency limits due to quantum tunneling effects.
Confront, face, meet, experience.
面对，遭遇，碰到，经历。
Avoid, evade, elude, bypass.
避免，逃避，躲避，绕过。
Well done. Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
Believe you can, and you're halfway there.